Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to talk about Tesla. This is a stock I'm following for some time. We had some crazy moves happening this week with some news, strong volume. So let's analyze the situation. I'm going to quickly go through the news and of course go through the technicals and show you my targets. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's start quickly with the news. So you guys probably heard of that already, but let's say it again. There was a deal between Hertz and Tesla about 100,000 cars, alright, by the end of 2022. So this is around 10% of what Tesla is producing in 1 year. So of course, this is a very big contract that is very good for the company. What happened to Elon Musk after that was that he just became the richest man in the history, reaching 287 billion, something close to 300 billion US dollars. So he's far above Jeff Bezos now. So once again, whenever you have someone that is that powerful, of course, it will help him to run the company as he desires, all right? Because money creates power and power creates money, so there is a virtuous cycle in the fact that not only his company is doing good, but he is also doing extremely good and can use this energy to even give more strength to Tesla. So I see only good things here. Now let's have a look at the technicals. So I've been covering this stock for maybe 1 year. And you can check my videos here. I was saying we're gonna go to 1000. We almost reached that. Then I was talking about this fourth wave correction that was expected to last a few months. It lasted around 6 months. And then here we had the breakout. So this was to me the first signal that we were bullish. And then here when we created this new high, it was the confirmation that we're starting the fifth wave. So what can we expect from here? I'm going to stay on what I told you guys, which is basically that we are doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We completed the fourth. So we now have target for the fifth. So the targets are usually in this kind of movement. The fifth wave is going either to the 0.618 Fibonacci projection of 1 plus 3, or 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.618. So this gives us 3 levels. The first level is eliminated because it's very close to the all-time high, the 0.618. So it leaves us with 2 levels, 1,400, 1,900. Let's call it 2,000. So 1,500 roughly or 2,000 for maybe June 22. So around 6 months. I think we're going to go there. So we're talking about 50 or 100% move up for this stock. And usually, if we look at the past, this kind of moves, they develop in 5 waves according to ELLIOTT wave theory. And we have some relations between the lengths of each wave. So here, what we can say is that we completed the first wave. That was the breakout wave. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull back to the breakout area. Here, by the way, I gave you this alert, guys, on Discord. Then we started to do live trading only after, so we didn't manage to catch it. Maybe we're going to get in later after we started live trading. But there was here a very nice buying opportunity that once again, I gave you guys. So I hope some of you are in this trade. And right now, what can we expect? So it's pretty clear to me that the first wave is complete. We corrected and we are doing the third wave. So as usual, third waves are the most impulsive. So we're not surprised to have, not surprised. You're always surprised when you see so strong moves up, but somehow if it needs to happen, it usually happens in the third wave in which we are. So right now we're going to try to break down this wave into 5 waves. So 1, 2, so we are in the third of the third. So this is what we can expect. I'm going to give you the level of the top of the third. Of course, it's going to be approximative, but let's try. We don't have many tools here as we are in a no man's land. It's the first time we're trading around these levels. We don't have resistance. We don't have many levels that we can use to say, all right, here there should be some sellers. But Fib projections are a tool that is very useful and that gives quite good results. So here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm not sure the third of the third is complete or not, but we might expect one more pullback, all right, on the short term. So let's say it's complete, maybe to the 950 area. Okay. And then we should have one more move up quickly before December, I would say. So in the coming months, I expect one pullback and one strong move up. And in terms of level for the top of the third, the only thing we can do is just look at the past and see where this was usually going in the last two moves up. So the third wave, which was very explosive, is very much looking like the fifth wave we're doing right now. So let's use that and see. So here I'm going to measure, okay, the first wave, okay, and I'm going to apply it to the bottom of the second wave. And I'm going to check where the top of the third was. So here we can see that the first wave was going from 60 to 200 roughly, then we corrected, and here the third wave that happened, guys, last year, it was absolutely massive, and it went to the 3 times 3.618 extension Fibonacci projection level of the first wave. So let's do it here, because it's the only thing we can do, guys. There is no other way. I mean, otherwise you can use some oscillator indicators like the RSI, but it's going to get overbought quickly and it still can go higher. So here, if I just use that, I have the 3.618 that is around 1,340. So visually it looks good. This is roughly what I would have put it. And we have the Fib projection of the last move up that is telling us that this third wave might go to this level as well. We have one more method that we can use. We can use again the Fib projection to 1+3 inside the third wave, but we don't know yet if the third is complete or not, and we don't know where the fourth wave might bottom. So this is a bit too early actually to do. It won't give me good results here. I can still try. Okay, if we come back to the 900 area, it's not giving me anything that is in line with what I already had. Maybe something around 1,400 if it's a one-to-one relation. So we have this kind of area, 1,300, 1,400 maybe, or 1,200, you know, it's hard to say, but roughly we have a 20, 30 or 40% move up to come in the coming month. This is what I'm saying. So let's see if this happens. But if it does happen, then we would probably correct. So the correction would then last probably 1 or 2 months. So I think we're going to be bullish for the coming month, then correct, and then go to the roughly 2,000 level. So this is my scenario. Let's see how things happen, but it's looking pretty good to me here. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.